Good morning, Roadrunners.
I'm Mackenzie.
And I'm Brooklyn.
Today is Friday, March 29th.
Today is a yellow day for kinder through 4th grade.
Please stand for the Pledge of Allegiance.
Place your right hand over your heart.
Ready, begin. I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all.
Please continue standing for a moment of silence.
Please be seated for a positive affirmation with Caitlin.
Today's positive affirmation is, it's okay to fail. You can learn from your failure and use it to improvise. Now back to our hosts.
Thank you, Caitlin, for that positivity.
For lunch today, we will have delicious cheese pizza, pepperoni pizza, and sun butter and jelly sandwiches with peas and carrots.
On Monday, we will be having an assembly to kick off testing. Elementary will be at 9 o'clock, and middle school will have an assembly scheduled.
In other news, Wednesday is math night.
It runs from 5 o'clock to 6:30 in the cafeteria.
And don't forget, no chewing gum.
We have all touched gum under our desk by accident. It's gross.
I know, right? But we're off topic. We can't forget. Don't forget to do your returning student registration.
Happy birthday to Emma B., Branson M., Felipe E., Laviana G., Angel P., and on Saturday, happy birthday to Alberto C., Zach G., and Ariana H. This world is a better place because you were born into it.
Now it's time for the Ridge statement. Please say it with us.
At the Ridge, we respect each other, show integrity, demonstrate positive attitudes with gratitude and kindness, and lead with excellence in all that we do. That's it for the morning announcements. Please remember our Roadrunner rules. Be respectful, be responsible, be safe, and please be kind. Have a great day, Roadrunners. Beep beep.